What's in the box? What's that? You want to see what the letter says? Yeah, let's see what the letter says. Open me first. An exciting package just came in the mail from Pampers Easy Ups, and this little letter has your name and a tail. It says you should open it in a minute or two, for inside you'll find something special for you. We're so happy for you. It's an exciting day. Goodbye to diapers is what you'll soon say. We can sing a happy song, we can do a silly dance, because today you are getting your first Pampers Easy Up training pants. If you're excited to see inside, there's a special phrase we want to share. Let's say right now, I'm ready for underwear. You want to pull that ribbon and see if it opens? Yeah. Look at that. You got it all off. Good job. Look, there's your box. Does it say open the side?
Yeah.
Do you want to open it? And what are these? Are those your very first pair of big girl underwear? Yeah! Sydney, you excited for your very first big girl underwear? Yeah! Sydney, do you want to put your underwear in your very own drawer? Yeah.
Good job. Good job. Now you know where they are going to be, huh?
Yeah!